So I need y'all help like ASAP. I'm over there on Facebook Reels, posting Facebook Reels, and they got a chokehold on my hashtags. I'm trying to post. I could post the video, I could put the music behind, and I can put a hashtag in a word. But you know how it suggests the millions and billions and billions. Nah, it ain't doing that right now. It ain't suggesting nothing. It's let me put a hashtag and I keep going about my business. I got a problem with that. So if y'all have been experiencing your hashtags not working, please let me know. If you know how to fix it, please let me know, because Facebook got a chokehold on them hashtags with me right now. I've been Googling. Google want to tell me, well, maybe you used too many hashtags. Nah, I used the same little 6 hashtags, so it ain't the hashtag. It ain't me posting too many hashtags. Facebook don't want to give me that money, y'all. I'm trying to post these reels. It ain't let me out. Help me out. Once I figure out what's going on, I'm going to put it down below in the comments, just in case somebody else going through the same thing. But if you beat me to it, please put it down in the comments. Let your girl know what your girl needs to do to get them hashtags back on there. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this. I tried to update the app. That ain't working either. So they just took my hashtags away. I don't know. But yeah, let me know and I'll let you know if I find out. See you, say that.